Hello everyone, today we are continue working on our deployment. So we are going to cover how to publish our Docker application to ECR. ECR it's Elastic Container Registry. So before start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and please put simple like to that video so it will motivates me a lot to produce more videos and do some helpful stuff for you. Let's start from creating the repository for the images. So let's go to AWS, just type ECR, go to Elastic Container Registry, just get started, create private one, just don't need to change anything apart from Django deployment, Django images, let's call it like that. Press create, okay, now it works. Then what we need, then we need just to go to our repository that we prepared previously, and let's just double check that it works here. Just put docker compose builds, and go up. It's running. Let's double check localhost. It works. All right. The next step, we need to create a user, to a limited user that we can only access that ECR repository, push and pull. So let's go to AM users, currently AM, and just create a new user, call it Django ECR user. We don't need to put him access to provide him access to manage console. Just press next, and let's attach directly permission for simplicity. So let's type Elastic, let's type container registry full access. Let's just choose this one. Next, just for you to easy research. So this one. Then we need to create user. Alright, it's created. Go inside, and here is access key. Let's create access key. Let's use third-party service. Click next. Okay, I confirm. Click next. Don't need any description. Just download CSV. Also, we just can copy this key. Let's create simple file here that will have our creds. Important to not push that file to Docker Compose or to Docker Registry or to Git. Just leave it temporary here. Let's copy access and secret because it's gonna be removed after we close. I mean, not removed, but we cannot access, I believe, or maybe they allow. Anyway, better to copy. Okay, we have that. We can stop for now Docker Compose. Before pushing to AWS, we need to log in. Let's put command configure. In case you don't have console, just Google how to install, or if you don't figure out, just ask in comments. I will add some extra step for that. Let's type configure, and in my case I just need to type profile because I wanna use apart from my default AWS profile user. So you don't need probably that one, but in case you can just repeat after me. Profile, and I will call it Django. All right. Enter. They will ask for this key. just copy and paste here. They ask for the secret, just copy and paste here. And then the region, I believe it's my default region. Let's go to, yeah, this one. Just type or put enter. Default output we don't need to change. Alright. The next step, we need to actually publish our image. To do so, let's go to Elastic, again to Elastic Registry, ECR, then here we have our registry, and if you go inside, there is a nice helper, how to push command. We have, first of all, we need to log in, so the Docker will be understand where we can push. Let's type this command, and in my case, only in my case, I will need to change profile. For you, if you didn't use that, just leave it as it is. Just type profile, and I believe, yeah, we call it Django, and let's go and log in. It's successful. So the next step, what was the next step? Let's just build again the image. Yeah, so here we go, and we have the image built, and the next step, we need to give it a tag. A tag is URI from this repository, it's automatically showed up for us. So let's give it the tag, and the last step is to push that image. Let's just copy and see here there is no images. Let's pass this last command here, and if you can see, it's just pushed there. So let's refresh, yeah, and we can see here the newest version. Let's try again, push. Alright, they just didn't change because it's just the same. I believe that's it for this step. We created image and we pushed that to the ECR, so we can use in the future that image for the deployed application. We can use different, we can use it for EC2 or some Fargate or whatever we need. I believe that's it. Please leave any comment below and put like, share the video. Let's see you soon.